Welcome to Super Simple Sauté. Today I'm going to make a very easy microwave cake. The things you need are flour, sugar, melted butter, yogurt, milk, and baking powder. Also, vanilla. I like to smell vanilla. So let's start. First, mix the melted butter and sugar together. Now the sugar. And then you mix it with a spatula. Then add a little bit of vanilla. Then you mix it again. Now add your yogurt and milk. Here's the yogurt. You might need to scoop it out. Now the milk. Then mix. Then you add your flour and baking powder. Then you add it into the bowl, but you sift it first. And then you can stop, and then you can mix in between. Now you add more. And then you stop and mix again. Now you add the rest. Mix it again. Now I'm going to put the cake batter in 2 round 6-inch bowls. Make sure you level it so it cooks evenly. You can shake it too, like this, and it still levels it. Now it's time to put these 2 in the microwave. By the way, you put it 1 at a time. Put it for 5 minutes. The first one is done, so we're going to check it with the toothpick. Nothing came out, so it's good. The second one. bake your cake in the microwave for 5 minutes. Your microwave might be different, so it might bake for 4 minutes or 8 minutes. You just need to check your cake with a toothpick. Now the second one is ready, so let's check it with a toothpick. Nothing came out, so I think it's ready. I'm going to let the cakes cool and then I'm going to frost it. Now the cakes are nice and cool and it's time to frost them. First I'm going to put a little bit of frosting in the middle on the plate. Now flip the cake. Now let's flip the cake. Then take off the paper. Now let's put frosting on top. Now let's put the other cake on top. Then take the paper off. Whoa, that's funny. There's a hole in the middle, but you can always cover it with frosting or you can level it. I think I'm just going to trim a portion of the cake. It's a yummy vanilla cake. Now you frost the top. I'm going to add more frosting, but this one is a slightly different color. The cake is nice and frosted, so I'm going to put sprinkles on top. The sprinkles make it look pretty. You can use different colors of sprinkles. You can use different shapes. But right now we're using rainbow sprinkles. I'm going to add some flowers. The cake is done. It didn't take me too long to make. It's very quick. Thank you for watching Super Simple Sauté. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye! The cake looks light and fluffy. It's very delicious.